Good day everyone. Today let's talk about the limits of a function. So here's our limits of a function. Also read as limit of f of x as x approaches c is equal to L. Also note that the limit of a function refers to the value that the function approaches, but not the actual value. For example, ito. Kunwari, ang c natin, ang constant natin is 4. That doesn't mean na ang L natin is 4. But, or rather, ang L natin is yung value na nag-approach sa 4. Para malaman pa natin or maunawaan pa natin, let's give some examples. Let's try example 1. Here, we have the limit of a function f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 4. Let's look at our graph. We can see that x is equal to 2. Mamark lang natin. So, nandito siya. Yan. Kung mapapansin ninyo, there are two sides. From the left side and from the right side. So, ang gagawin natin sunod is we must find the value of each side. Sa left muna tayo. Limit of f of x as x approaches 2, then negative. Why negative? Because coming siya from the left. Yan ang ating notation sa left side. Then, from the right side naman, we have limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right side, positive. Yan. Then, let's find the values of them. First, the left side. Kung mapapansin ninyo, here, yung line papunta dito sa blank square na to ay nakatutok siya sa y value na 4. So, ang ating value sa left side, from the left side, is equal to 4. Yan. Then, hanapin naman natin yung value from the right side. Tingnan lang natin sa graph. Papansin niyo, yung line from the right side is nag-end siya sa value ng y, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, our value from the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right side is 4 also. Also note that if the value of both sides are equal from the left side and from the right side, that means that is our value of the limit. So, limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 4. Let's try example number 2. This is our graph for example number 2. First, let us find where yung mga unshaded circle ay kung saan sa x-axis, which is nandito, sa 1. Mamark natin yan. Yan. Then, let us find the value of the left side from the left side and from the right side. Let us write the notation. Limit of a function f of x as x approaches, our x is 1, from the left side, which is negative, is equal to, papansin natin, yung line na ito ay nag-end or nakatutok siya sa y value na 1. So that is our L. 1. Yan ang value natin from the left side. Then, let us find the value from the right side. Our notation is limit of a function f of x as x approaches 1 from the right side, positive, is equal to Susundan na natin itong line na ito. Then, dito siya nag-end. Sa y value na 2. That is our L. Since nakita na natin ang value from the right side and from the left side, makakonclude na tayo ng value ng ating limit. So, limit of a function f of x as x approaches 1 is equal to dne. Why dne? Meaning ng dne is does not exist. Does not exist. Why? Because kung makikita natin, ang value from the left side and from the right side are different. Magiging true lang ang limit ng function if ang sagot nila ng dalawang side ay parehas. Since ang sagot ng dalawang side ay hindi, then the limit of a function is dne.